Yeah, hi everyone, first Friday of the month, speed test, yes. Friday, October the 4th, 2024. I've already solved two regular puzzles, 3 stars and 4 stars Sudoku, so this one, the Killer Sudoku, also with the speed test. In this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve, not now but in the evening. The Killer Sudoku, okay, this will be number 9379. We have 2 given numbers, 2 and 5. For Killer Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. If I compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, in additional it will be 3 stars. Alright. So, okay, 1 minute already passed, so let's get started. Without comments, without instructions. 13, okay. 14. Yeah, 1, 20, 30, 41, 4, 8. Here, 20, 24. 1, 4, 1, 2. Let me see, 2 and 1. And we have more. No, 8 and a 9. 4 and 1, okay. 1, 1, need a 1 there. 2, 2, need a 2, 2, 2. 17. 14, 11, 13, 8, 10, 13, 11, 5, 20, 6, 12, 9. Well, will be difficult. We have 2. Well, 18. Come on, come on. I'm stuck here, I'm stuck. Need a 1, 1. 1 could be here. 1 and a 9. 1 and a 9. But here, no. Here, alright. 16, 18. Wait. 11, 10, 21, 23. Plus 15, 23, 15, 38. Should be a 7, 7 plus 6. Okay, now we have 1 digit. 11, 15, 18, double 18, 36. It's a 9 here. So this should be the 6. 6 plus 9, okay. Need a no 1 here. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 8. Need a 9. Need an 8. 9 and 2, no. 9 and 6. 8 and a 3. 9, 9, need a 9 here. 9 and a 4. Need a 2. Here can be 2 and a 5. So it should be the 7 and a 6. 1 need a 7 here. 8 and the 3. 2 and a 5, okay. Come on. here or here. I think 1 2 1 2 4 1 2 4 1 2 4 1 2 4 here 1 2 4 2 2. Need a 2 there. 2 and a 5. Okay. Come on, come on. 8. 2 and a 9. No, 2 should be in one of these. Here can be 2, 2, 2, 2 and an 8. Okay, 2 and a 6. Here could be 2, 2. Need a 2. Here then. Here can be 2. So the 8, 1 and a 4. Here can be 1, 1 and a 4. Here. Need a 1 here. No 1 here. No 1 here. Here can also not be a 1. This should be the 1, 9. Here can be 1, 1 and a 6. 5, 4, 9 and an 8. No 5 here. 5 and a 9. 2, 2. Need a 2 there. 4, 9, 4. 1, 1, 1. 7 and a 6. 2 need a 3. No 3 here. 3 and 8. Here can be 3. 3 and 8. So need a 7. Can it be 7 there? 7 and a 6. And here should be the 5 and the 9. So it should be the 9 there. Okay. 3, 8. We have a pair. 7, 6 and there. Need a 5 here. 6 and a 5. Can be 6 here. 6 will be here. 7 goes there. 8 and a 3. Okay, need a 7 there. And I need a 7, 2 and there. Need a 3 here. Can it be a 3? 3 here. 7 and a 6. 6, 6. Need a 6 there. Here can be 6. 6 and a 4, nope. Yeah, it should be the 6. 2, 3 and a 7. Need a 8. 8 and a 5. 8 and a 3. Nope. 8 and a 5. 9 and a 2. We have a 9 here. 7, 6 and a need a 3 here. We have a 6 here. This should be the 6. This should be the 7. So 2 numbers left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Need a 7. 3 and a 7. 10, 4. Here 6 and a 5. 4, 4. Need a 4 here. 1, 2. Need a 3. No, 3. Need a. Suppose this is 2, then this should be the 6. Suppose the 3, this should be the 5. Supposed to be 2, this should be the 8. So the 3, this should be the 7. Need a 9 here also. 9 plus 4, need a 7 here. 9 plus 4 is 13. Here can be 7, this should be the 7, this should be the 3. This should be the 8, this should be the 3. 2 numbers left. The 8 and the 5, I believe. 5 and the 3. 8 and the 2. No 7 here. 9 and the 4. 6 and the 5. 5, 5, need a 5 here. Oh, there. 5 and the 4. 5 and the 7. 9. 6. 7 and 3. 2 and 5. Need a 8 here. Need a 3 here. 3 and a 5. So this should be the 2, and this should be the 5, 8 and a 3, 1 and a 4, 3 and 8. 2 numbers left, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 here, 4, 2, need a 4 there, 4 and 8. No, we have an 8 here, 4 and a 2, 4 and a 1. 4, 4 here should be the 4, 7 and a 9, 1, 2 and a 3, 3 and a 7, no, 3 and the 8, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 9, 2 and a 8, no, and then 9, 2 and the 1. I need a 5 here, 3 and a 5, 8 and a 5, we have an 8, 5, 3, 1 and a 6, 1, 6, 7 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a 7, we have a 6, 6 and a 7, 6 and a 3, 7 and a 5, 7 and a 3, we have a 3 there, 3 and a 7, finished in 12 minutes, -1 I believe, or 2 minutes. Well, we solved it again. Let me give this 11 minutes. And I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again in the evening with other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Friday.